Welcome to our Decipher Tools tutorial about how to save and print iPhone text messages for court, trial, or any legal-related matter. We're going to keep today's instructions short and to the point, so at the end of this quick video, you'll be able to instantly save and print your iPhone text messages and attachments. Now keep in mind, while we're running today's demo on a Mac, this also works on any Windows computer. To complete the tutorial, you'll need three things: an iPhone or an iPad, a Windows or Mac computer with a copy of iTunes installed. Now, if you don't currently have iTunes on your computer, you can simply download it from Apple's official website. Lastly, you'll need a copy of Decipher TextMessage, the desktop program that lets you export your iPhone text messages to your computer in a PDF document. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is navigate to your web browser and go to deciphertools.com. When you land on the Decipher Tools website, you'll notice a little green lock in the toolbar. If you click on that, that shows you that the website is encrypted, secure, and trustworthy. Anytime you're downloading software for the internet, you want to make sure the website you're on is secure. Now, if you scroll down, you can click here on Decipher Text Message, and you'll be brought to the Decipher Text Message product page. Here you'll see features and also compatibility notes. If you click Try for Free, you'll be then taken to the download page. Here on the download page, you can simply click Download Decipher Text Message. Now in this case, we're being prompted to download the software for Mac. However, again, if you're on a Windows computer, your web browser will automatically default to give you the download option for Windows. Now if you're on a Mac, you can open up the DMG installer and simply drag the Decipher Text Message icon into the Applications folder to copy it to your computer. If you're on a Windows machine, you will download the installation package and run the installer as you would with any normal Windows program. Now after the program installs, we're going to go to our Applications folder and double-click on Decipher Text Message. Now when the program first opens, you'll notice a little Backups Loaded window that appeared in the background. This window has big information in it about each of the iTunes backups that are being read into the program, including things like where the backups are located on your specific computer, the version of iOS for a backup, and also whatever version of Decipher Text Message you happen to be running. We're going to get this out of the way, and here's the main program window. Now when you first open the program, in this case here, you'll see that I already have two iPhones in the program. This means that in the past, I've previously backed up two different iPhones on my computer. Now if you launch Decipher Text Message for the first time, and this left-hand column is blank, that simply means that you've never used iTunes to back up a device, and you need to back up your phone via iTunes on your computer. After doing so, when you launch the program, you'll see your device here in the left-hand column. Now, if we click on a phone, you'll immediately see all your contacts in the middle column of the program. If we select one, let's pick my friend Allison Richards, and then you'll see in the far right-hand column all the text messages between myself and Allison. Now in this case, we're running the free trial. The free trial lets you see and save a few text messages from each contact and gives you a good overall feel for the program and whether it's right for your needs. If you want to access or save all your text messages, you can upgrade to the paid version. Now for today's demo purposes, we're going to go ahead and activate a phone with a license code so we can convert the trial to the paid version of the software. Now once a device has been activated with a license code, you'll see a little green check mark on it here. And that means that you're running the full version of the software. If we click on the phone, again, you'll see all your contacts in the middle column. Let's select Allison one more time. And now if we scroll up and down in the far right column, you'll see that we're not limited to the trial version, but we can see all the text messages we've exchanged with Allison. And at the bottom it says you have 10 total messages and 3 total images. One of the special features of Decipher Text Message that is useful for court is that the program has a unique preference that will display the contact name and phone number on every single text message, both sent and received. Even messages on the iPhone itself in the Messages app are not displayed this way. This feature of the program is something that many lawyers and courts appreciate since it helps with documentation and clarification of exactly who sent and received every single text message. Now this feature is on by default. However, you can always double check by simply clicking the preferences and making sure there's a check mark next to the Show Contact on Every Message option. To export your text messages, with the contact selected, simply navigate to the Export option, choose Current Conversation, and today we're going to select PDF. You'll then be prompted to where on your computer would you like to save the text messages. We're going to save them to our desktop because it's convenient and then simple to find. Now once you save them, the program will automatically launch a window containing the document that you've saved just for convenience. If we double click on the PDF, you'll see that all our text messages with Allison were saved in chat bubble format, and they have the contact name and phone number on every single text message. Notice too that your photo attachments are in line. Now you can simply print the text messages from this PDF, or you can email them to your lawyer or anyone related to your court or legal case. It's that easy. Now a few quick additional features to keep in mind. If you don't want to export all your text messages, and you only have a few messages that you want to export, you can simply use the Export Date Range option. Now in this case, let's say we want to export text messages for selected dates between myself and Chelsea. We would navigate again to the Export menu, choose Export Current Conversation, but this time we would choose the PDF Date Range option. A little calendar will pop up, and you can choose the exact dates for which messages you want to export. In this case, I'm going to only export text messages from April 24, 2018. So we'll select that specific day, and then we'll choose Export. We now pick a place on our computer where we want to save the exported PDF with the text messages. A window will open up, and you can double click on the file, and you'll see all our text messages with Chelsea are exported for the one single day only. Now, notice again, all the text messages have the name and phone number on them, and any image attachments are in line, just as they would be on your phone. It's that easy. So we'll close the PDF document, navigate back to the program. One last thing to keep in mind. When you use Decipher Text Message to export or print your text messages for court, all of your text message data is private and local to your computer. Nothing is stored on servers or in the cloud. The user is in complete control. We hope today's quick overview about how to save text messages for court has been helpful. If you have any questions, simply contact us via our support page or leave a comment here and we'll reply. You can also navigate to deciphertools.com and select the Reviews page. Here, you'll find over 1,000 Facebook testimonials from Decipher Tools customers, many of whom have successfully used Decipher Text Message to save and print their important text messages for court or legal matters.